Hey everyone, and welcome back to Lee's Slotcars. Now today I'm feeling like a bit like a kid on Christmas morning. After one of my videos when I said, I have a few health problems and I'm back in the game now, working on my slot car track, I had a few people actually approach me and say, do you know what? We want to help you on your way. We're going to send you something. And I mentioned about the Randy's Donut kit that I got from a mysterious subscriber. So I've mentioned that. Well, the second one was from a guy called Steve Connor, and he's in Western Australia. And he emailed me and said that, he sort of resonates with my story due to his sort of circumstances. And Steve, when you're watching, I'm totally thinking of you, wishing you well, my friend. And Steve said he was going to send me a package, and this is all the way from, Australia. It's just absolutely incredible. I've said it before. I'm totally blown away by the kindness of people. Not just in the gifts, but in the comments as well. So today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do an unboxing video, which I've never done before, so it's a new experience for me. Because the delivery guy has just come, and I have this to open. So I'm not sure how I'm going to position the camera to do this, because I haven't got any fancy technical stuff. So I'm winging it, I'm making this up as I go along. So let's get down to the workbench and see what we got. Okay, all right. Okay, right, this seems to work quite well. It's amazing what you can do when you put your mind to it, isn't it? But the camera is precariously poised up above. And here we go, the big reveal and unboxing. I did pre-slice some of this tape, but I'm so excited. So excited. Santa has been. That's the package. I'm sure I can use this packaging paper somewhere. Now, I don't want to have any sort of labels that are really going to show up any information, so I think I've got away with that. And just a careful slip across the tape, and coming in this side, that pulls away, that's good. I love using a scalpel. So precise, makes me feel like a surgeon, of which I know plenty about. Right, okay, we're getting into it now. Bubble wrap. Well, excuse me. I recognise that it is a box that will include a car. So let's just pop this to one side and turn it over. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is just amazing. Steve, I hope you're going to watch this. I hope you're watching, my friend. Oh, come on, I'm getting in a frenzy now to try and do this as quick as I can. Okay. Wow. Ford Falcon GT. What an absolute beauty. Brute 33 takes me back to my childhood in the 70s when I was probably 10-year-old, splashing the Brute 33 to try and impress the girls, Sure, we've all done it. Reminds me of Henry Cooper, do you remember? Splash it all over. The younger ones will think I'm talking absolute garbage. Steve, that is absolutely fantastic, my friend. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. Wow. I'm almost lost for words, which is unlike me. Christ, it's quite emotional. It is quite emotional. Steve, I know what you're going through, my friend. I really do, and it's tough. Okay, and you got big things happening tomorrow on Tuesday, I know that. I'm just glad that you've taken some, I don't mean comfort, but you've got something from watching the videos that I do, because, you know, I just waffle on in my garage and I enjoy doing it. And the fact that people watch it, and, you know, there's about 350 something subscribers is incredible. And this is the most generous gift and thought that I can ever imagine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause for a minute, because I need to just reflect for a bit, and I'm going to take this beautiful car out, which actually I believe is an Australia exclusive as well, which makes it even more special. I'm going to take this out and we'll have a closer look at it. Okay, so I will be back shortly. Okay. Right, I had to take a bit of a break because I actually felt quite overwhelmed, which is crazy, isn't it? How, you know, things get in your head. It sort of brought a lot back, and I sort of popped in, had a coffee and reframed. So anyway, let's have a look at this car, because she's gorgeous. So there she is in all her glory. It is absolutely lovely. I love the Brute 33 livery. I've actually got, oh, sorry for the wobbly camera. I've actually got the Chevrolet Camaro in the Brute 33 because I just love it. I think it looks really classy. Not that Brute 33 was ever particularly classy. So it's absolutely gorgeous, Steve. It's absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to give it a quick run round the track. I'm always really nervous doing this the first time with any new car. So let's place her on the track, and this is straight from the box. You all witnessed the debut running of this car. So let's have a look. I'm not going to go too fast with it because I'm not really concentrating, because I've got a phone in one hand and a controller in the other. But look at that, runs sweet as a berry. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Listen, I'm going to sign off now, but Steve, thank you so much, my friend. You are truly a wonderful man, and I wish you all the best, and I'll message you later, buddy. Okay, you take care. Everyone, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for supporting this channel. You know, who knows that I could do all this from inside my old garage. Click like, click subscribe. It'd be great to get them subscriber numbers up. And you take care, everyone. I'm going to spend a little bit of time in here running in this little beauty. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye now.